Hey Ron, I also added a dust collection diverter 5-way that I built.
Happy New Year, Smart Woodshop fam. Let's start out 2024 right. Paul Libby has adopted the entire Smart Woodshop system and done a great job with it. He's leveraged a lot of things. He really understands the system. And in this quick video, he shares with us his dust manifold. This thing is awesome. I'm going to have to talk with him about it a little bit and see if I can get a little more information. I might even want to build something like this for myself. And it looks like it's a quick adjust and setup. Of course, mine needs to be portable, so I want to click snap and go. So I see a lot of potential here. Great job, Paul. Hey, if you like Paul's stuff and you want to see more videos like this from him and other Smart Woodshop fam, be sure to give him a thumbs up and a good comment.
You can adjust which ports you want, open or closed. They automatically self-clean. It gets both of the router tables and goes down to my cyclone separator and my Festool dust extractor.
2024, there are hundreds of thousands of members of the Smart Woodshop fam with lots of great ideas. I'm going to ask you all to participate this year and show us some of your ideas like Paul has done. Thanks for starting out your new year here with us at the Smart Woodshop. You be safe. Mahalo.